Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 2003, 32-bit, 64-bit, whatever you want, how to make it so that it's looks like a Mac. It's not going to change anything in your theme, it's not going to change like your settings or anything, it's just going to change how it looks, and it's actually a really cool thing to have. So let's start by opening up your internet. And you want to type in object doc. Okay, now it'll be stardoc.com, and you want to just open it up. Okay, this is the one you want, and you want to do the free download. Okay, you can buy the plus, but for me, just use the free one, and then you want to scroll down to download as CNET. Alright, and then you want to go download now. Now I've already done it. I've already completed the download, so I'm not going to do it, but I'm just going to save file. And when that's done, you're going to want to just, I'll do it anyway. Alright, so give that 20 seconds. Exit that off. Now once that's done, okay, so we're just going to wait for that. Now you also need to download this theme that I've got set here, obviously. The Mac theme. You search in Mac theme on Google Images and it should come up. Save it as desktop background and that'll just stay there. You'll probably save a theme in your themes folder, don't worry about that, it's still gonna work. It's just gonna save there, so you won't need to do anything. Don't worry about customizing taskbar or anything because it's gonna work later. You're just gonna hide it, so don't worry about that. Okay, so that's done. Okay, and then you just wanna open that up. Double click on this. Now I've already done it, so I probably shouldn't be doing this again, but I'm just going to do it to show you guys out there. Okay, so we're just going to wait for this. It will take a moment. Okay, now of course it's going to come with all this, but it'll be different for you guys because you've opened it, because you've already done it. Well, it's your first time, but I've already done it. So you just want to follow everything they say, and when it's done, it'll say want to run object doc. You want to click yes. Okay, so once that's done, hit yes, and come down to here. Now you can either delete all your shortcuts, which is what I've done. So you've got no shortcuts whatsoever, and you'll be able to have the free use of square highlight tool, right? Which I only have it because it's sort of fun. But if you don't, you can just go right click view and show desktop icons, unclick that, and of course you won't be able to do the clicks, but it'll hide all your desktop icons, and if you want to undo everything, that'll all come back. Not that that matters, because you can set new things, but yeah. Okay, next thing you want to do is find it in here, so object doc, there it is, and you want to open that up. Now of course mine's popped straight up, which is good, because I've already done it all. Let this load. Now with shortcuts and stuff, it'll all pop up on there, but you can also just come straight out the start menu like this. Right, set a shortcut on here, pull it into here, it'll link it straight in there. Right, and if you don't, it takes it away. Right, no worries. Okay, now the next thing that you probably want to do is you probably want to get rid of this taskbar because it doesn't look very Mac-like. I'm gonna open up the settings of the dock. Okay. So settings, you right click and click settings, come to, alright, so it's pinned to desktop, 21 icons obviously. Settings, you can load it at startup so you don't have to keep opening it every time you start your computer. You're going to hide the Windows taskbar, and you want to enable, or I don't know what this is, don't worry about that. Okay, I haven't done that, and it hasn't done anything to me. Okay, you can also change if you want to show indicators if it's running or not. It's just a little black arrow. You can change your label font to whatever you want. Attention, so they can shrink and grow, whatever, when your mouse goes over it. Home, on my dock, you can add shortcuts, separators, docklets, how to edit your docs, all this stuff. Position, so you can have it wherever you want, like, more to the right, more to the left. Just have it centered, you can have it wherever you want. Bottom edge, top edge, right edge, I like bottom edge because it looks. I like bottom edge because it looks a lot like a Mac. Size, also style and color. Now this is really cool. If you go change background, have all these choices that you've got here. Okay, so that's really cool as well. Okay, so I think that's about it. Now once you've got your theme and stuff downloaded, so make sure that you do the whole view, either hide them or delete them all, doesn't matter. Okay, and also another problem people have been having is they have icons, say the recycle bin here, that won't leave and they can't delete the shortcut. To fix that, you want to go to personalize, or just control panel if you're on an XP or 2003 computer. You're going to go to change those icons, or there's another way to do this, but you just want to untick the recycle bin, untick all of these, and they won't show up on your desktop anymore. Then you can also, this is my recycle bin here, so it's the Mac recycle bin. There's a lot of cool things on here, like you can, that's my settings obviously, that's another way, it'll have a U there, but I've set it so it's a settings bar like on the real Mac. Yep, so that's a lot of cool things you can do with that. Obviously like this, can't get to Windows taskbar, you click start menu, that'll open up your old Windows taskbar. But as you can see, this is my HP Pavilion computer, and I've made it look a lot like a Mac. So subscribe and rate YouTube, and thanks heaps. See you later.